أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ربنا زدنا علما رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي ربي يسر ولا تؤثر وتمم بالخير. Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam.
Walaikum salam, sir.
So let's begin. We were saying the story of Mansoor. Now quick recap before before we continue the story. So how many children does Mansoor? How many children does Mansoor have? Sadia.
5.
5. Very good. How do you say it in Arabic? You say khamsatu.
Khamsatu awladin.
Very good. Khamsatu awladin. With how many friends is Mansoor traveling? Zahan. 1 friend, 2 friends, 3 friends. How many friends? Can you hear me, Zahan? Adnan, how many friends is Mansoor traveling with?
2.
2. Very good. What do you remember their names?
Names.
2. 2. Very good. And the names of his friends are Nasir and Nasser. Nasir and Nasser. And what does his wife say about them? She says, Hadani, that is these 2. Majnunani Aidan. What does that mean? What does this mean, Adnan? Means these 2 are mad people also. So Majnunani is 2 mad people or crazy people. So she gets to know that they are the ones who are giving this idea to Mansoor. So first she says, Anta Majnunun, you are crazy. And then as she digs deeper, she gets to know that this is actually his 2 friends' ideas. So she says these 2 people are also mad. Hadani, Majnunani, Aidan. So very good, Adnan. Mansoor is traveling with 2 friends. What does Mansoor like about Spain? Can you unmute now, Zahan?
Flamenco music.
Very good. He likes flamenco music.
Sorry, I thought you said me.
No problem. So very good, Adnan. You have good memory. You remember the last 2 parts of the story. Very good. This was in fact the first part of the story. He likes flamenco music. He likes musica flamenco. He likes flamenco music. Okay. So this question to whoever wants to answer or whoever knows this answer. Why does Mansoor want to travel to Spain?
For work.
For work. Okay, and? Sorry, Zahan?
What? To earn money.
To earn money. And? Wrong answer.
To roam about Spain.
Sorry?
To roam about Spain.
Yes, so Anil Aunty has the correct answer. So he wants to roam around Spain and to eat paya. Did you eat paya in Ooty, Adnan and Sadia?
No, sir.
No, not yet. You get very good paya in Ooty.
Yes.
So the paya in Spain is actually different.
I ate paya last night.
Okay, so Zahan ate paya in Mumbai. So you ate the city paya. The city paya is not as good as Ooty paya.
Yes.
So hopefully soon Sadia, Adnan get to eat Ooty paya, which Zahan used to have earlier. See, so this is what
Yes,
Spanish
yes.
paya has meat, and there is a seafood paya, there's a vegetarian paya, there's a meat paya, so it's a Spanish dish. Okay, so this is what he says to the customs people. So he said, look, the reason I want to go to Spain is I want to roam around Spain, I want to be a tourist, and I want to eat paya. That's what he tells the visa. And do the visa people buy it? Do they give him a visa? Does the visa officer give a visa to Mansoor?
No, he doesn't give a
No.
visa.
No. So they laugh at him and they tell him, no, we are not giving you a visa. So does Mansoor get the visa? No. He does not get the visa. So how would Mansoor go to Spain now? He has not gotten the visa. How do you think Mansoor will go to Spain now?
Mm,
How do you think he will go, Adnan?
I don't know. Can't go.
How do you think he will go, Sadia?
Left.
Sorry?
Some illegal act.
Come again, Zahan?
Maybe some illegal act.
He'll do something illegal. Okay, pretty close. I actually, he'll try to do something illegal and he'll try to sneak into Spain. And that is what he will see. So that's why the chapter is the travel to Spain. Rehlatun ila Isbania. So he tries to do something illegal and somehow tries to get to Spain. So we'll see how he does that. Now, do you think Nasser and Nasser get the visa to Spain? Why? They should get the visa, no? Sorry?
They are also from here, right?
Come again. Your voice breaking.
They are also from Egypt.
They are also from Egypt. They are also friends of Mansoor.
If Mansoor did not, they also not get.
They also don't get the visa. So they also go to the embassy and the embassy asks them questions. So the embassy asks them, do you have money? And do you think they had money? No, they didn't
No.
have money. They didn't have money. They didn't have a ticket of the flight or ship. They didn't have hotel reservation. They did not know Spanish. Do you think they had friends in Spain?
No.
No.
No, they also didn't have friends in Spain. So they just heard that, hey, so let's go to Spain and let's earn money. And they tried to go get a visa without preparation. And they didn't get the visa. So they also didn't get the visa. Now we'll continue the story. Now, all of them are disappointed. None of them have gotten the visa. And then Mansoor asks Nasir a question. So how do you say Mansoor asks Nasir? He asks Nasir something. How do you say Mansoor asks Nasir? What is the question for ask?
Sa'ala.
Sa'ala. So very good. So Sa'ala is past tense. So Sa'ala is he asked. Now what is present tense of Sa'ala?
Yas'alu.
Yasalu. Very good. Now Yasalu is he asks. How do you say Mansoor asks Nasir?
Sa'ala Mansuru Nasara.
Very good. So it's Yasalu Mansurun Nasiran. Sa'ala Mansurun. Mansoor asks is the doer. And to whom does he ask? Well, who's the detail? Nasirun. Sa'ala Mansurun Nasiran. Or Yasalu, present tense, Yasalu Mansurun Nasir, Mansoor asks Nasir, Mada naf'alu ya sadiqi? What is Mada naf'alu ya sadiqi? What is naf'alu? And what is yaf'alu? If you get yaf'alu, naf'alu is easy.
We do.
We do. Very good. So yaf'alu is he does. Naf'alu is we do. Very good. Rahil auntie has the correct answer. So Mada.
What do we do now?
What is the translation of this, Sadia?
What do we do now?
What do we do now would be Mada naf'alu al-ana. Al-ana will be now. What is ya sadiqi?
What do we do now, oh friend?
Very
My
good.
friend.
What do we do?
Oh,
My friend. Sadiqi is oh my friend. What do we do now, my friend? So the friends have given the idea to Mansoor and it hasn't worked. So Mansoor says, okay, what do we do now? And Nasiru yaqulu li Mansoorin Saufa nusafiru ila Isbania an tariqi Libya. So he says, Saufa nusafiru, soon we will travel ila Isbania, to Spain, an tariqi Libya, by way of Libya. So he says, look, from Egypt we cannot travel. Let's travel from Libya. Let's go to Libya. And he says, Hunaka marakibu kathiratun. Marakib is boats. So markabun is one boat. Marakibu is boats. Hunaka marakibu kathiratun min Libya ila Isbania. So he says there are many boats from Libya to Isbania. From Libya to Spain, there are many boats. Have you gone to Ajanta and Ellora caves, Zahan?
No, Satyajit.
No. So I think that's very close to Mumbai. No, do you go there by boat or do you go there by road?
No,
How do you go to Ajanta and Ellora caves?
I haven't gone there.
But do you know how to go there?
I think so by boat.
By boat. I think it is by boat as well. So he says, look, no problem. So if you can't go from Egypt and we don't get the visa, it's okay. We'll go to Libya. And from Libya, there are many boats to Spain. Now, how far do you think is Libya from Cairo?
Here 1,000 kilometers.
Let us see. So Cairo to Libya, very good, Zahan. So your guesses on geography are pretty close. So it's 1,332 kilometers from Cairo to Libya. How far do you think is Ooty from Mumbai?
200 to 300 from Bangalore and 1,300. So 1,600 kilometers altogether.
I don't think it's 300 from Bangalore. I think it's far.
No. 1,300 from Bangalore.
Right.
My papa was from Bangalore by car. So
Very good. So you're very good at geography. We just discovered this talent of yours. So Ooty to Mumbai is indeed 1,200 kilometers. So it's like going from Ooty to Mumbai. Okay, and they cannot afford a flight. So we'll see how they go. So Cairo to Libya is very similar. So Ooty to Mumbai is 1,200 kilometers. This is 1,300 kilometers. So very similar. Okay. Now Egypt is here. Libya is here. So this is bordering country. And Spain is here. Okay, so you can see Egypt and Libya are close by. But Spain, is it close to Libya or is it far from Libya?
it's close to Libya than Egypt.
Correct. But is it close by overall?
No, it's
No.
very far.
No, it's not close by. Okay, so it's pretty far. In fact, Egypt, Libya is closer. Egypt, Libya is bordering countries. But from Libya to take the boat to Spain, you've got to go all this way around. So it's actually pretty far. It would actually be, I think, twice. It would actually be at least 2,000 kilometers. So this is what Nasser is suggesting. He says, look, there are many boats, not even ships. He says there are many boats from Libya to Hispania, from Libya to Spain. So let's go by boat. Let's go to Libya first. For sure. And then what happens? Ya'khudu kulla wahidan. They take all of them. meaning Mansoor and Nasir and Nasr. Kullu wahidin minhum, from them, haqibatahu, his bag. So every one of them takes his bag. وَيَدَعُ فِيهَا, and he puts in the bag, in her is the bag. Haqibatun is feminine. So they put in the bag al-malabisa allati sawfa yalbasaha. So they put in the bag clothes, and soon they wear their clothes. وَبَعْدَ الطَّعَامَ الَّذِي سَوْفَ يَأْكُلُهُ, so after food which they eat. وَالْمَاءَ الَّذِي سَوْفَ يَشْرَبَهُ وَيَرْكَبُونَ, so they eat food, they drink water. Yarkabuna, markab are from the same root. Yarkabuna means they board or they ride. Okay, so how do they go? Al-hafilata min al-Qahirati ila Libya. What is al-hafila?
By horse.
Horse?
By Basma.
By bus. So horse is hisanun or jawadun, that is horse. Hafilun, sayaratun is car, hafilatun is bus. So they go like it's like going from Ooty to Mumbai by bus. Have you ever gone from Ooty to Mumbai by bus, Zahan?
No.
No, but your dad has gone. So he's gone Ooty to Bangalore and Bangalore to Mumbai. So it is like Ooty, Bangalore, Bangalore, Mumbai. So it's 1,200, 1,300 kilometers. They go by bus. Min al-Qahirati ila Libya. Al-Misriyuna yusafiruna min Misra ila Libya. Egyptians travel min Misra ila Libya, from Egypt to Libya. Biduni ta'shiratun wa biduni jawaz safar. So Egyptians travel to Libya without visa and without passport. So it is like traveling Bangalore to Mumbai or Ooty to Bangalore. You don't need anything. So there's no checking, there's no visa, there's no passport. You can just travel. So it's similar to the travel where there's no checking. Anyone can travel from Egypt to Libya.
They're countries.
They're countries, but still, like even in Europe. So if Europe, all of these countries here, so France, Spain, Portugal, Germany, Italy, okay, Greece, all of these countries also have a common visa. They have a Schengen visa. Okay, so if you have the Schengen visa, you can travel anywhere. It's like one giant country. No one will ask you. So if you go from Italy to France, for example, no one will ask you for passport or visa. They'll only ask you if you go from India to one of these countries. And once you get down off the flight, they will ask you that do you have a visa. But within this area, they don't ask you for anything. It's similar. So this is like one giant country. Okay, where you can go from one state to another state, no one asks you anything. So it's similar to that.
Take a visa from India to, say, Germany.
Correct. So
And from Germany, travel to France. So from Germany to France, I don't require a visa.
correct. So there are two types of visa. So one is you can get visa only Germany, but mostly you don't get that visa. So you usually get a visa which will allow you to travel full of Europe. So that's the kind of visa you will get. And here it's similar. So Egyptians and Libya, it's like two states, you can easily travel between them. They have their own currency, they have their own different government, but travel is open. So you can travel from here to there. It's like states. It's like one state to another state, you can easily travel.
So why don't they travel to Germany and then to Spain, or France and then to Spain?
They can, but they said, look, why go to so many countries with so much headache? We are going without visa, so let's just go one country. Because here the risks become more. Because if you go Italy and someone by chance asks you for a visa, you could get caught. Or from Italy to France, you could get caught. France to Spain, you could get caught. So they said, okay, from here we'll directly go to Spain. Let's give it a shot. So that's what they do. So al-Misriyuna yusafiruna min Misra ila Libya biduni ta'shiratin wa biduni jawaz safar. So they travel without passport and without visa. How far is Libya from Cairo? It's 1,300 kilometers. It's pretty far. And Libya to Spain is even more far. Now, did Mansoor sleep during the journey?
I think so he slept.
Okay, Zahan thinks he slept. So let's try to annotate. Let's see, you put a tick in case you think Mansoor slept during the journey, and put an X in case Mansoor is like some of us who does not sleep during travel. And he stays awake and he sees around and he sees what's happening.
I don't sleep during travel, but all of them, all of my
Everyone else
family
sleeps.
Even I don't sleep.
Okay, so Rahil auntie sleeps during travel. She says no, Mansoor do not travel. Adnan Zahan do not sleep during travel, but they think Mansoor slept. So everyone's thinking opposite. Okay, so we have 2 ticks, 2 no's. Sadia does not want to answer. Do you sleep during travel, Sadia?
A lot, sir.
So Sadia loves to sleep. During travel, not a travel at
Only
all. Sadia
in
likes to
travel
sleep.
by I love to sleep.
Okay, so only by flight Zahan sleeps. And
Train.
Mansoor is not traveling by flight. So Zahan thinks,
No, I'm not telling. I'm telling I love to sleep when I'm traveling by train.
okay, by train you like to sleep. So you like to lie down and then sleep.
Yes.
Okay. You're like me. So I also like to sleep in the train. So train, I can happily sleep. In fact, I've once, no, but this was by bus. This was by sleeper bus where once I had to go from Chennai to Trichy to college. And I woke up around the right time. And then I saw boat Trichy. And I thought, okay, Trichy is still coming. So let me sleep half an hour. But Trichy had already gone. Okay. So I slept another half an hour and I was way past Trichy. And then I had to get down, take another bus and come back. And I like
You
sleeping
sleep
bus.
when
I can sleep
for
well.
bus, you won't be able to get up at your time because
I
it will
got
have
up at the right time, but then I thought it will take more, so I slept again. And then it became very, very late. That's what happened with.
like a swing,
Sorry, Zahan?
like a swing. It makes you sleep
Correct.
fast.
Yeah, so it keeps rocking you and you get a very good sleep. So, did Mansoor sleep during the journey? We will see. So, let me jump to the book. Now, I'll take you directly from the book. So, Biduni ta'shiratin wa biduni jawaz safar. So, this is what we've seen. This is how people travel from Egypt to Libya without visa and passport. Libya, ba'idatun wa rihlatun tawilatun. Libya is far. Wa rihlatun tawilatun. And the journey is long. It's a long journey, 1,300 kilometers. Wal asdiqa'u mutabun. And the friends are tired because it's a very long journey. Mansurun la yastati'u an yanama. Il hafilati. La yastati'u means not able to. Mansur is not able to. An yanama. An is to. What is yanama?
Sleep.
Sleep. So Mansur is not able to sleep. So those who said he was not able to sleep have the right answer. So Mansur is not able to sleep. Fil hafilati, in the journey. Why? Li'annahu, because he yufakkiru fi isbanya. About isbanya. What is yufakkiru?
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
Sorry?
हाँ? सुपर ग्लू लाना नहीं भूलना.
So what is yufakkiru? Yufakkiru is fikir karna. He was worried about Isbania, about Spain. Wakaifa yasillu ila Isbania. How does he arrive to Spain? Wahal yajidu amalan amla. Hal yajidu is, does he find amalan amla, work or not? So he's worried about a lot of things. How does he get to Spain? And does he get work or not? Wa yufakkiru fil baiti alladhi sawfa ya'ishu fihi. He worries about the house in which he will stay. Wa fin nasi alladhina sawfa yatakallamu wa ya'lamu ma'ahum. And he worries about annas. What is annas? Qul a'udhu bi rabbin nas.
People.
And about people. And about people which or whom soon he will talk to and whom he will work with. Wa abna'ihi, and his children. Abna'un, what is singular? So abna'un is plural. So what would be singular of abna'un? It is a word that we know. What do we say for son?
Ibnu.
Ibnun. So ibnun is singular, abna'un is plural. So sons or children is abna'un or awladan. Awladan is also children. وزوجته and his wife, والنقود and about money, وأشياء كثيرة and many things. بعد 20 ساعة, after 20 hours, يصلون إلى Libya. So after 20 hours, they reach to Libya. ينامون في غرفة صغيرة. They sleep in a small room. في فندق. So in a hotel, they take a small room and all of them sleep in a small room. في يوم التالي, the next day, يريدون أن يشتروا تذاكر المركب. So in the next day, يريدون, they want, أن يشربوا, to buy, أن يشتروا is to buy, تذكرة المركبة. تذكرة المركبة. So they want to buy ticket of the boat. So this is تذكرة المركبة, ticket of the boat. ليس عندهم نقودا. So they do not have money. ماذا يفعلون? What do they do?
What do we do now?
What do we do? What do they do? ماذا يفعلون? What do they do? يرجعون إلى فندق. They return to the hotel. يقولون لصاحب الفندق. And they say to the owner of the hotel. So they go to a small hotel, small room, they all stay there. They try to buy a ticket to the boat, they don't get the ticket. So they come back to the hotel and they know very few people in Libya. The owner of the hotel would be one because they would have spoken to him while checking and while getting their rooms, etc. So they contact the owner of the hotel and they tell him something. What do they tell him? Nuridu an nusafira ila Isbania. We want to travel to Spain. La nastati'u an nashtariya tadakir al-markabi li'annana laysa indana nuqud. We cannot buy ticket of the boat because we do not have with us money. So they say, look, we tried to buy the ticket to travel to Spain, but we don't have money. So we are not able to buy the ticket. وَيَسْأَلُونَهُ مَاذَا نَفْعَلُ. And they ask him, okay, so now look, this is where we are. We don't have money. We want to go to Spain, but we can't buy the ticket. What do we do now? يَقُولُ لَهُمْ. He says to them, هُنَاكَ مَرْكَبٌ صَغِيرَةٌ لِلَّذِينَ لَيْسَ عِنْدَهُمْ نُقُودٌ. So he says, look, there is a small boat which does not have, for which the ticket you don't need money. Wala tashiratun. And la tashiratun. Who remembers what is tashiratun? Tashiratun is visa. So he says, look, there is a small boat and it does not need money, meaning you don't need to buy a ticket and you don't need visa also. So it will just take you. And how did you say, Zahan, that he will travel to Spain?
By illegal means.
By illegal means. So this is the illegal mean which the hotel owner is telling them. Laisa hunaka tu'aman wala ma'an wala sururan wala kirasiyan. So he says, look, in the boat, it's a very small boat. So there's no food and there's no water. There's no chairs. There is surur is there's no beds. There's no chairs. So this is a very, very tiny boat. Fi hatihil markabi. This is a look very small boat. There's no ticket, but there's also no food. There's also no water. There is also no chairs. Okay, so this tiny boat. An-nasu yajlisuna faqat fi hatihil markabi. So people just sit in the boats and they go. And that is the kind of boat which the hotel owner is offering them. Okay, so what kind of a boat is it?
It's a boat of no use.
The boat is of use because it will still take you to Spain.
The boat, we take a boat ride like an OT boat house.
Correct. So it is like Ooty boat house boat. Okay.
But boat house also has boat with chairs.
To sleep, huh?
Not to sleep, chair to
To
sit
sit.
down.
Okay, so this is all
Here also we can sit.
right. So think of a tiny boat like this, or in fact, let me put boat.
But
Uh,
won't you have? I don't think so. It will have a motor also.
Okay, so think of this. Okay, so think of something like this, or a bigger version of this. So you don't have anything. Okay, so you just have to sit in the boat and go. So that is
And
what
the
is
journey is long.
the journey is
No?
long. So maybe there's a motor, but that's it, and it's just a simple boat like this where you just sit. There's no food, there's no water, and think about 20 people sitting on this boat. So there's no space. Okay, so that is the boat which is offered to these guys,
Maybe a fisherman's boat.
like a fisherman's boat with a motor, is what is offered to them. So now, question to all of you guys: do you think they will go by this boat?
Yes, they will go by this boat.
Okay, let's see. You guys answer. So who thinks they go by this boat? Who thinks they go by different boat? So Zahan is very sure. Zahan knows these people. He's like, yes, this is the boat they will go by. Okay, Anil Aunty also thinks yes, they'll go by this boat.
They're very curious to go.
Correct.
Yes,
Sadia
want
Adnan,
to go.
Ooty boathouse
No
boat.
matter what.
Will I sit in this boat? Do you think they will go by this boat? Is what Sadia and Adnan are thinking. Okay, so Sadia and Adnan do not have an estimate of how big the boat is, so they're still thinking. Okay, so finally Sadia knows how big the boat is. So Sadia thinks yes, they'll go by this boat.
கம்பி மேல போட்டுருங்க.
Okay, now do we continue the story? Do we do some Arabic translation? How do we go?
Continue the story.
Continue the story. What do you think, Sadia Adnan?
Then
Continue.
they'll travel by the boat.
Right. So now we continue. We do story or we do Arabic translation and vocabulary.
Continue the story.
Okay, let's do a little more of the story.
Story is becoming interesting.
The story is becoming interesting. It's actually pretty interesting. So we'll see how it goes. Okay. So
If you don't continue the story, Sahib, it will be like this everyday daily shows.
right. So this will be like the serials which people watch
Yeah.
at home where you'll end up in suspense. Okay, so they get a boat. Now what do they do next? And this is suspense scene, but it's okay. We'll continue. I'll leave you at a different suspense scene for the next class. Okay. في يوم التالي, the next day, يذهبون إلى المركب. So they go to the boat. Okay. And they have the same reaction as you guys. ما هذا? المركب صغير جدا. Okay, the boat is very small. Think of this boat. Okay, so think of this boat with a motor. Yeah, and think of 20 people sitting on this boat. So that's what the boat is like. Al hada huwal markabu. Is this a boat? Allati saufa narkabuhu ila Isbania. Is this the boat which they will take to Spain? Kaifa yasafiru hadal markabi. Hadal markaba. How do they travel this boat? How do they ride this boat? As-saghiru ila Isbania. How do they ride the small boat to Spain? Aina nakulu. Where do they eat? There's no space at all for them to do anything. Aina nanamu. Where do they sleep? Mansurun yakulu. So Mansur is the one who has given this idea. So Mansur says, Minal mustahil. It is from impossibility, or it is impossible, and usafira bihadal markabi. So Mansur is the one to first talk, and he says, look, it is impossible for me to travel by this boat. Saufa arjiu ila Misra. Soon I will return to Egypt. Saufa aishu fi baladi. Soon I will live in my country. Nasirun yakulu lahu. Wa Isbania. Okay, so Nasir is this mischievous friend. Okay, so Mansur says, look, now how will I travel by this boat? Where will I eat? Where will I sleep? This is impossible. So soon I am going to travel back to Egypt, and soon I will live in my country. Okay.
So he no further has any plans of going to Spain.
Sorry.
So he no further has any plans of going to Spain.
Right. So Mansoor says, look, this is a crazy idea. Okay. And he finally gets it that these people are mad people. Okay. So he says, look, now this is done. Now I'm going back. I'm going back to my family. I'm going back to my country. And you do what you want. Okay. And what does Nasser say?
See, we can go to Spain.
He says, and Spain, what about Spain? Okay, so he's like this mischievous kid. Okay, so he gives them the bait. Wal amalu, and work. Wal nukudu. So he says Spain. And what about work? And money? Nasir.
So he tried-
And the other friend, okay? So Nasir says Spain, work, money. And Nasr, the other guy says, Ibnuka maridun, your son is sick. Look, now what will you go back and do? Your son is sick and you need money. Ibnuka maridun, ya mansurun, ya mansuru. Wo yuridun al nukuda. So these two people now try to get Mansur to come with them to Spain. So they are giving him baits. So they're saying, look, Spain, work, money. And your son is sick. So what will you go back and do? You came here for money. Wa usratuka nukudun nukud. Turidun nukuda. And your family needs money. Man yuti him an nukuda. Who will give them money? Okay, so they're convincing him more. Sahibul funduqi yaqulu lahum. The owner of the hotel tells them, Hadal markibu tari'un wa isbania qaribatun. So he says, look, this boat is sari'un wa isbania qaribatun. Now who can guess what is qaribatun? It's very easy. What is qarib?
close by.
Close by. And who can guess what is sari'un? Hadal.
Bed.
Far away.
Bed kya ma?
Sorry, Mama?
Sleep. Bedroom. Bed.
That is sarirun. That is sarirun.
Okay. Ah.
This is sari'un. Sari'un.
Is it fast?
Sorry, Zahan?
Fast.
Fast. So he says, look, this boat is fast and Spain is close by. Okay, and how close by is Spain? We have seen how close by is Spain. So we've seen already that it's pretty, so we've seen that it's actually pretty far. It's actually 2,000 kilometers. Okay, so it's here to here. But he says, look, don't worry. This is a fast boat and Spain is very close by. You'll get there. Okay, that's what the owner of the hotel says. Wa Hispania qaribatun. Where is that? Qaribatun. Okay. Yashtari al-asdiqa al-thalathatu thalatha tadhkiratin wa fi yawm safari yarkabuna al-markaba. So finally Mansoor gets convinced. He says, okay, what will I go home and do? I came here to get money, so let me go, let me earn money. So Yashtari al-asdiqa'u al-thalathatu. So the three friends buy ticket of this travel. So it should be a very cheap ticket given that it's a very simple boat. Yarkabuna al-markaba, and they board the flight. La yastati'una an ya'khudhu haqa'ibahum li'anna al-markaba saghirun jiddan. So you remember everyone takes a bag with them and they have some clothes in the bag and they cannot take even the bag with them in the boat. So the boat is so packed, it's so small and there are so many people, they cannot even take their bag with them. So they have to leave even their bag behind. And how can they go in the boat? Only they go in the boat. Okay, they can't take anything with them.
Deen Dayalu coach.
Sorry?
Is it like the Deen Dayalu coach?
What is Deen Dayalu coach?
Train coach will be packed.
Right. This will be even more packed. That you cannot even take a bag with you. So the train coach, at least you can take a bag and you can keep it in your lap. Okay, this boat you cannot even do that. You can just go and sit on the floor. That's all you can do on the boat. Al-markibu lin-nasi faqat. The boat is only for people, okay? No bags allowed. So you throw your bag and you just come and sit in the boat. Yastati'una an yakhidu ma'ahum ma'an faqat. So they can only take with them water. So all you can take with you is one water bottle, and that's it. And you can.
How does the boat?
Sorry, you're saying something, Zahan? Okay. Al markabu muzdahimun. We have seen muzdahimun before. So when Mansoor was working in Cairo, the buses were muzdahimatun and the roads were muzdahimun. What is muzdahimun?
Crowded.
Crowded. Okay. So al markabu muzdahimun. The boat is crowded. Hunaka shababun min baladin kathiratan. So there are people from many countries. A lot of people are taking this illegal route to travel to Spain because Spain has money and they're all going there to earn money. Min Misra from Egypt, was Syria from Syria, was Tunisia from Tunisia, ومن بلد إفريقية أخرى. And there are people in the boat from Egypt, from Syria, from Tunisia, and we saw Tunisia. So Tunisia is here, just next to Libya. The people from all of these places, the people from Syria, the people from Libya, the people from Tunisia, and a lot of African countries. And everyone's boarding this small boat to go to Spain. Okay. Ukhra, where are we? Ukhra, okay. بعدهم يريدون أن يعملوا في إسبانيا. Some of them want to work in Spain. وبعدهم يريدون أن يسافروا من إسبانيا إلى فرنسا أو إيطاليا. So, like Zahan said, so some people want to go to Spain and work in Spain, but some people are doing the opposite.
They want to roam around in Spain.
No, they want to go from Spain to France and Italy. Because from Libya, there are too many boats to Spain. And Spain, I think at that time was the rich country. So there are a lot of boats to Spain. So some people want to go and start working in Spain. Some people want to travel further. Some people want to travel to France, Italy, because no one's going to check. You can easily travel from there to other countries. In España, ila Francia wa Italia. So some people want to travel to France and Italy. الأصدقاء متعب لأنهم لا يستطيعون أن يناموا لأن المركب مزدحم. So the people are tired, the friends are tired because they are not able to sleep. Why? Because the boat is very crowded. There's no space at all. There's no space to sit. How can they sleep? هم جائعون وليس عندهم طعام. هم جائعون. أنا جوعان. What is أنا جوعان? أنا جوعان is I am hungry. هم جائعون is they are hungry. They are hungry. وليس عندهم طعام. They are hungry and they don't have food. الماء قليل. Water is little. كثير is lot. قليل is little. So there's less water. الجو بارد جدا. The weather is very cold. So it is winter time in the sea and the weather is very cold. المركب ليس سريعا. المركب ليس سريعا. So the boat is not سريعا. Who remembers what is سريعا?
It's not covered.
No. Word is different. Sarian. Remember what the hotel owner tells them. He tells them, look, Spain is qaribatun wa rihlatu sari'un. What is sari'un? Fast. Okay. So what does the hotel owner tell them? Does he tell them that the boat is fast?
Yes.
Yes, but actually is the boat fast?
No.
No,
Because of the
actually
way-
it is very slow. It's actually, say, a fisherman's boat. الطريق إلى إسبانيا طويل. The way to Spain is long.
Very
And what did the hotel owner tell them? He told them the journey is very short, but it's actually very long. So the hotel owner sold them the ticket, and now they are on this journey, and they cannot do anything. تعب في المركب Yamut. So people in the boat start dying.
Dying.
Dying, yeah. So there's no food, there's no water, they're all crowded. So what happens? Some people start dying. في يوم التالي يموت شاب آخر. So one day, one person dies. The next day, one more person dies in the boat. كل يوم يموت شاب أو شابان. So every day, one or two people die in the boat. Okay, and the journey is taking many days. It's a small boat. It's a long journey by sea.
What is Shab, Chacha?
Shab is young man.
And Shabin will be young woman.
Shabatun would be young woman. We saw Fatah. Fatah is like teenage boy. Okay. After Fatah is Shab. Shab is young man.
Between 20 and 30.
Yeah, like between 20 and 30 is what you can say. So young man is Shab. In fact, in Arabic, if you want to say people or say guys. So if I wanted to say like guys, shall we continue the story? In Arabic, you would say Ya Shabab. Oh, young people. Ya Shabab is say guys in Arabic. Okay, so you'd say Ya Shabab. That is Shab. Shabab is plural. Shab is one Shab. Shabani is two Shabs. So every day one or two people are dying. Mansurun Khaifun. So now Mansur is scared.
Scared.
Mansur wanted to go back. Yes or no?
Yes.
Who convinced Mansur to stay on the journey?
Nasir and Nasser.
Nasir and Nasir. Okay, now Mansur is the first person getting scared. Hal Yara Isbania. Now what is he thinking? Will I even see Spain?
Will even reach Spain?
Correct. Will I even get to see Spain? Reach is far. Will I even get to see Spain? That okay, look there, I can still see land, and that is Spain. Will I even see Spain? Hal Yamutu Qabla and Yaraha. Or will he die before even seeing Spain? Hal Yamutuna Kulluhum. Will they all die? And none of them reach. Hal Yastatiu Ahada and Yaisha Ayaman wo Biduna and Yakula or Yashraba. Yastatiu Ahada. Is it possible for anyone and Yaisha for anyone to live even one day without food or drink? Like even with the roza that we have during Ramadan, we have intermittent fasting. So we fast during the day from Fajr to Maghrib and then we eat during the night. Right? So it is not continuous. But here it is continuous, no food, no drink, not possible to do anything, not possible to eat, not possible to move, not possible to sleep for many days. Tab'an min al mustahil. So indeed it is impossible. Min al mustahil and yarji'a ila Libya. Mada yaf'alu. So for sure, it is impossible now to return to Libya. How will he return to Libya? They've already gone on the journey many days and many people have died. Okay. So they are on the way. So think that they have left from Libya to Isbania. They are somewhere here.
Either Spain or either they go to Libya.
They can neither go here, they can neither go there because people are dying already. And Spain is a long journey. Libya is also a long journey now. Okay. So what do you think Mansur should do now?
And see.
Sorry, Zahan?
Have patience.
In middle of Mediterranean Sea.
Correct. So it's in the middle of Mediterranean Sea. And now he's starting to get scared. Okay, now he's starting to think, look, I should not have listened to these people. I should have trusted my instincts. I should have had common sense. Okay, now he's thinking, will I even see Spain? And will I even stay a day in Spain? How will I even stay a day? Because there's no food, there's no water. Even after reaching Spain, you need something. You need food, you need water. So this is what Mansur is thinking. And these guys are all now in Mediterranean Sea on the way to Spain.
Sacrifice, one more way was to go from Morocco.
Yeah, they could go here and then they could jump here, but they decided to go from Libya. Maybe because Morocco is very well guarded. It's a small coast, so maybe here if they go, they'll get caught. But Libya, if they go anywhere here, they'll sneak in. Okay, now we have 10 minutes. Now do we learn Arabic or do we continue the story?
Story.
Okay, Sadia, Adnan, I think this story was very sleepy to you. It was like a lullaby. I don't hear you at all.
Story.
Okay, Adnan also one story. Okay, so we'll continue the story. I won't leave you at this suspense. I'll leave you at another suspense. Okay. This story is full of suspense. Okay, so this all like, okay, so this happens. This is like TV series. Okay, every time you see TV series and you see a serial, you're like, okay, look, this suspense. Okay, so now if he goes to Spain, I'm done. Okay, so let him at least go to Spain and then I'll be at peace. Okay, but we'll see what happens after that. Alhamdulillah. Bada usbu'in yasiluna ila Isbania fi'la. So after 1 week in this dingy tiny boat, finally all of them reach Spain. But there is a catch. Walakin, what do you think is the catch? They reach Spain, but
There's checking. There's
checking.
checking.
What do you think, Adnan, Sadia?
The checking for
That's checking that who has visa, who does not have visa. Okay. Or other answers?
Quizzes,
Or it is like loot, robbery.
Sorry, come again. What did you say, Zahan?
Somebody, they're trying to rob the people.
Okay, so there is robbing because look, this is illegal route. So anyone could do anything. They're trying to rob, but what will they rob them? They're not carrying anything. They don't have bag. Maybe they're carrying water bottle, cell phone, wallet. That's it. They don't have anything else. Maybe there's robbing. Let's see. But there is a catch. Lakin al markabu la yadhabu ilal ardi. But the boat does not go to the land. Okay, so think that this is Hispania. Okay, so this is Spain. But the boat does not come here and leave you on land. But the boat stays here. Okay, and the boat, say the captain of the boat says, okay, done, that's it. Now you have come to Spain. You guys jump into the water and swim to the land. That's what the boat does. Because if the boat comes here, it could get caught and the owner could lose the boat. So the boat stops here in the water midway and says, that's it. This is Spain. This is Spanish water. Now you guys go. You guys go swim to Spain. Okay, that's what happens. Lakin al markabu la yadhabu ilal ard. The boat does not go to land. Ashurtatu hunaka. There are police there. Why does the boat not come? Because the boat rider or the captain of the boat could come there and lose the boat. And there are police. So the boat rider says, okay, my job was to take you to Spain. I took you without visa. That's it. Now you guys go from here. Kullu nasu yasbahuna ilal ard. So all of the people, now what do? They came so far. Now they see Spain. Spain is there. The remaining people who survive, all of them, they jump into the water and they start swimming to the land. Okay, so that's what they do. Now they jump into the water and from there they start swimming here, and here there are police. Okay, now what do you think happens? Do you think the police catch them, or do you think they manage to reach without the police catching them? Do they swim to the... Okay, so you can put a tick or X. Do they... Okay, Zahan thinks they will get caught.
They don't have a choice.
Correct, but the question is, do the police catch them? That is rather the question.
If they are lucky, then they can go.
Correct, so are they lucky?
Hope they are lucky.
Are they unlucky?
How sad.
Okay, we will see. The moral of the story is, if you have mischievous friends like this, use your own judgment. Okay, so first, they do not know how they are going to travel, and they leave their bags behind. They come on the boat, and then there's no food and water. The boat is very slow. Journey is very, very long, and people start dying. They don't even know if they're going to reach. Finally, they've reached, but they have not reached. They still need to swim and go, and there are police who could catch them. And now we'll see what happens. Ashurtatu hunaka, there are police there. Kullun nasu yasbahuna ilal ard. All of the people swim to land. Ashurtatu tara ba'dahum. So the police saw some of them. Okay, everyone swims in different directions. The police saw some of them. Now, will they get caught? And who will get caught? Because some of them are surely going to get caught. The police have seen some of them. Ashurtatu ta'khudu ba'dahum. So the police catch some of them. Ashurtatu ta'khudu nasirun wa nasran. Nasiran wa nasran. So whom do the police catch? Nasiran wa nasran. So both of these mischievous people, okay, whom Mansoor's wife says they are Hadani, both mad people, both of them get caught. Okay, the police have caught both of them. Now we see what happens to Mansoor. Ashurtatu la yara Mansooran wala yakhuduhu li anna yasbahu bisuratin. So the police do not see Mansoor and they do not catch Mansoor. Why? Because he is swimming fast. Al-ana Mansoorun fi Isbania. So Mansoor manages to reach Isbania. And what happens to his friend?
Both of them get caught.
Both of the other friends get caught, lot of other people get caught, but Mansoor manages to reach Spain. Ba'idan Anik.
I have a doubt.
Yes, Sahan.
They haven't eaten for around a week.
Right?
And he's swimming fast.
And he's swimming fast. So he's this.
Fast.
Okay, so he wants to go to Spain. And he wants to go work in Spain. And he wants to see Spain and eat paya.
He has to feed 5 children and wife also.
Correct. So he has that willpower. Okay, so he wants to eat paya and he wants to go see his family again. If the police catch him, you don't know what the police is going to do. Okay, so that's what the people do. So all of the other people, they just swim here. But Mansoor, by luck or by intelligence, what does he do? He swims far. So he does not swim like this. So he swims like this. He goes there and there are no police there and then he swims to the sea. So Mansoor manages.
But when the others come straight.
The others come straight. The police see most of them, they catch. But Mansoor swims somewhere far and then comes to land and the police do not see him. So he manages to escape. Laisa indahu nukudan wala malabisan wala ta'aman. So he does not have food, he does not have money, he does not even have clothes because he's just coming in the boat. Okay, and he's wet. So he has full salty sea water all over him. Huwa ja'iun jiddan. He is very hungry. Saufa yamut. Soon he knows that he is going to die. Yara rajulan isbaniyan fi shari'i. So he sees a Spanish man. Rajulan isbaniyan. So in Arabic you would say man Spanish. So he sees man Spanish, or he sees Spanish man fi shari'i, in the street. Yaqulu lahu min fadlika a'tini ta'aman. Min fadlika, please, a'tini ta'aman. Please, I need money. I need food. Okay, because he's very, very hungry. No, he's not eaten for a week. Min fadlika a'tini ta'aman. I need food. Ar-rajulu al-Ispani la yafhamuhu wala yatakallamu ma'ahu wala yu'tihi shay'an. So the Spanish man is seeing a person drenched, not Spanish, he's some foreigner, okay, weird looking person, very, very weak. Ar-rajulu al-Ispani la yafhamuhu. So the Spanish man does not understand him. Wala yatakallamu ma'ahu. So he does not speak to him. Imagine you're going on the street and then you see a foreigner, okay, weird looking person, very weak, and he's speaking some strange language which you do not understand. So he gets scared and he does not understand him, he does not speak to him, he does not give him
He
anything.
doesn't know Arabic.
He does not know Arabic. Mansoor is speaking Arabic, he's Egyptian, but Spanish person speaks Spanish. He does not speak Arabic. So he just goes. He runs away from the place. He does not give Mansur anything. Yara imra'atun isbaniyatun fi shari'i wa yaqulu laha. So he sees a Spanish woman in the street and he tells her, min fadliki utini ta'aman. So he sees a Spanish woman and he tells the same thing. Please, I need food. Please give me food. Law sinitu nu kumbari nadu. Okay, let me see what this is. So this is what the Spanish woman says. Okay, so he says, min fadliki utini ta'aman. Please give me food. And she says, lu sinitu nu comprendo. So she is speaking Spanish and he's speaking Arabic. And he's trying to speak again and tell her something. So he says, na jaw'anun jiddan. I am very hungry. And this is what the Spanish woman says. Bila astadu isba niul.
Are you Spanish?
Bila istada isba niul. So she says something else in Spanish. Okay, we do not understand. Mansur also wouldn't have understood. Ana Misri wala a'rifu ahadan huna. So he says, I am Egyptian, wala a'rifu, and I do not know anyone here. So he's speaking in Arabic, she's speaking Spanish. Kibirihu astatu diniru. And she's speaking more Spanish. Okay, and now he's losing it. He's speaking Arabic, she's speaking Spanish, he's speaking Arabic, she's speaking Spanish, and now he's saying, Saufa amut. I'm going to die. Okay? And that also she will not understand. Kabirihi astatu kumida. Okay, so she's again speaking Spanish. And we'll continue this part, and then we'll see what happens. So he says, I'm going to die, and then she's continuing to speak Spanish. It is like someone who does not know Tamil comes to Ooty, okay, and the people are speaking Tamil, and the person is speaking Hindi, and no one understands each other.
It's like Chennai Express.
Right.
Yeah, people don't know Tamil. Servants don't go and work for them because they can't understand.
Because I can't understand. So servants get scared of people who don't speak Tamil. Okay. So, okay, now she tries something. Okay, she says, okay, this person is clearly having some difficulty. Okay, he's clearly in distress. So, ta'tihi mawzatan. So she gives him a banana. Min haqibatiha. From her bag, she takes one banana and she gives him mawzatan, which is the same mouse that we call it mouse. We also call it mouse. So she gives him mouse. Yaqulu Mansurun al mawzata bisuratin. So Mansur is so hungry, he eats the mouse very fast. So he just gulps down the mouse. Okay. So now her thing is working. So she's given him a mouse. She said, okay, so let me give him something and let me see what happens. So she gives him a mouse and he gulps down the mouse because he's so hungry. He's like in the state that he hasn't eaten for a week. Tafhamu al-mar'atu annahu ja'i'un. So finally she understands that this person is hungry. Tu'tihi mawzatan ukhra.
He gives one more mouse.
He gives one more mouse. Ya'kuluha bisur'atin aidan. So he gulps this mouse also down. He eats this mouse also very fast. Ta'khutuhu ila baytiha wa ta'tihi ta'aman kathiran. So then she knows, okay, this person is very hungry and she's very kind. So she takes him to her house and she gives him lots of food. He's very hungry, so he eats lots of food. Ya'kulu Mansuran qalilan thumma yanamu. So he hasn't even slept, remember, in the boat. She gives him lots of food, but Mansur is so tired, he just eats some food and he goes to sleep. La yanamu ala sariri. So he does not sleep on the bed. Bala alal ardi. So he just eats some food and now he's very sleepy. So he just sits down on the floor, he lies down and he goes to sleep. So where is Mansoor now?
On the floor. In
On the floor.
lady's house.
In the lady's house. So finally, Mansoor manages to reach Spain, and somehow, luckily, someone has given him food, and he's gone to sleep on the floor. So he's very, very tired. He's exhausted, and he's gone to sleep on the floor. What happens to Nasser and Nasser?
They get caught.
They get caught, and we'll see what happens to Nasser, Nasser. We'll see what happens to Mansoor in the next class, inshallah. And was the story interesting?
Yes, sir.
How did you like the story, Adnan Sadia?
Did you make it?
No, this is book. This is 100-page book. This is in fact beginner's book. So in this book, I can understand most of the words. Okay, so there is book 2, where I might know maybe 60% of the words, and there is book 3, where I might just know maybe 20-30%. So this is book. This is a story book.
How is your son?
He's doing well, alhamdulillah. I think he's sleeping. He's not making noise, so I think he should be sleeping.
You are still in Bangalore, or you traveled to Chandigarh?
No, I'm here. I'll be here in Bangalore for some time actually. So it'll be some time before I go back. So do dua for us. Duas for us.
Sure, inshallah.
Inshallah, when he grows up, we'll tell him these stories also. We'll teach him some Arabic. Inshallah.
Send me one photo of him.
Inshallah, I'll send it to you, Zahan. Okay, so with that, let us close. How did you like the story, Adnan Sadia? Okay, so Adnan Sadia have already gone to sleep. Okay, so with that, we will close. Subhanallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, wa astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. We'll continue a bit of the story tomorrow, and we'll do some Arabic grammar, inshallah. And next week, we'll take a break. So next weekend will be a break off, and tomorrow we'll do the usual lesson, inshallah. So catch you all tomorrow. Barakallahu li wa lakum. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum assalam, ma. Jazakallah khair.
Wa yakum.